हाय, मैं हूँ कोपल खन्ना। वैसे तो मैं कहानियाँ सुनाती हूँ, पर कहानियाँ ढूंढना मेरा सबसे बड़ा पैशन है। And so, I've been traveling to different parts of India to meet business owners like me who started from scratch and found a way. I want to hear their stories, the highest highs and the lowest lows. Today, I'm in Noida and Ghaziabad to meet Priya Tyagi of Tide Ribbons, who's working with artisans to revive their skills and provide them with better livelihoods. There seems to be a lot of activity going on in here. How many people are working for you?
We have around 100 people in this premises, and we have around 80 to 90 people working in our Firozabad and Agra area. So it is approximately, you can say, 400 people who are contributing directly or indirectly to what Tide Ribbons has to bring to the table.
How did it all start? Like, how did this idea come to life?
We started in 2013 with the range of retail stores. We went on Amazon full throttle somewhere around 2014.
How was the shift for you from like offline to online?
It being an e-commerce portal, there is a lot more scope to showcase like thousands of products, which in retail stores it's just not a possibility.
So now you're in India, UK and US.
Yes.
So these are like your three prominent markets, and which is your biggest one?
Amazon India. For gifts, we are the biggest seller in India currently.
What I find really interesting about your story is that you seem to have almost revived Indian handicrafts, which was probably dormant for like the longest time, right?
Yeah, of course. The basic objective is to revive this heritage that that has been losing its importance for quite some time, and we know there is a lot of potential in it. We decided to go for it. This is a glass tea light. Right from the process of making this frame, everything is being done by hands with men and women artisans of Firozabad.
So these are like families of artisans.
Yeah, of course, there are families. Everybody participates, in this process. And it has not just been financial independence for them. It has been an independence of thought, their perspective of life, self-assurance and confidence.
प्रिया, मैं जब से आई हूँ मैं देख रही हूँ कि there's so much that goes behind making Tide Ribbons what it is,
अगर मैं कहानी बताऊँ आपको तो एक कारपेंटर हैं जिनके एक एक्सीडेंट में दोनों पैर खराब हो गए थे और पिछले 5-7 साल से उनके पास बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं था, पर इनका हाथ बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा काम बहुत अच्छा करते थे। तो तब हमने रियलाइज़ किया कि they were beautiful artworks and strangely they were not there on Amazon or any other portal. So we launched around 7 or 8 of their models initially. Then of course there were customer feedbacks कि हमें इस color में बनाइए या we want this differences, we want them in sets. Like there were so many ideas that came and you can say that was just a starting point. और अब उनके पास इतना काम है कि their entire family, वो लोग सबको बुलाते हैं and everybody works.
What's next in store for you guys?
If I look at it, Tide Ribbons मुझे एक जर्नी जैसा लगने लगा है and there is so much to do. Daily we try to include more and more artisans, more and more styles of art crafts that are there in India, and of course some of them they have actually gone. So we are hell-bent to revive them as well.
Witnessing these local artisans craft such beautiful handiworks makes me feel hopeful for the arts in India. और सबसे होपफुल बात ये है कि जब आप और मैं ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं, हम उनके साथ जुड़े इंडस्ट्रीज को भरने में मदद करते हैं और उनका काम दुनिया के अलग अलग कोनों तक पहुंचाते हैं. Next, I'm in Aligarh meeting two moustaches who are also giving artisans a platform, this time in brass handicrafts.